What is up, you guys? It's your girl Keyanatalented, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So I actually asked my Instagram followers what color makeup look should I do next, and you guys, when I say I got so many purple, I got purple left and right. So that's what your girl is bringing y'all today. So the first thing I'm doing right now, I am doing my brows, and I'm using my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. Not an eyeliner pencil, girl, what are you talking about? It's just a regular pencil, and I'm filling in my brows, and then I'm going to conceal with my L'Oreal concealer in the shade 420. So jumping into the palette for today's makeup look, I'm using the one and the only Aina ABH palette. The first shade I'm going into is Big Wig, and I'm using a crease brush, and I'm just going to pack this color into my crease, basically following the shape of my eye. Now going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to blend out this pink shade right above the purple. So I am using windshield wiper motion, so basically going back and forth, and what this does is just help me blend these two colors together. So I got the color payoff that I wanted from the pink shadow. Now I'm going back into Big Wig, which is the purple shade, and I'm just cleaning up the purple, and then I started to go back and forth between the two brushes just to make sure everything was blended. But mainly I was just, making sure that I got the color payoff that I wanted. Now your girl is going in and doing a small little cut crease, nothing too fancy, not a detailed cut crease, just wanted to clean it up just a little bit, okay? And I'm using a small detailer brush to do this with, and then I'm also using my L'Oreal concealer in the shade of 415. Now that I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go back into Big Wig with my crease brush and just clean up the outer V and, make sure that it's placed where I want it to stop on my eyelid. And then I'm going into Shookington, okay, because this color definitely has me shook, okay? And I'm placing this on the middle portion of my eyelid with a flat eyeshadow brush, just packing the color on because, y'all, this color is so freaking bomb. I honestly did not need to pack as much as I did, but we all know your girl is a little bit extra. So, yeah, I was just packing this color on the middle portion of my eyelid, going back and forth between my two brushes to make sure that everything is blended. Next, I took the shade Trust Issues, and I popped this on the inside part of my eyelid. You guys, I just wanted to brighten my eye look just a little bit, and it did the job. It was like perfect. But what I will say is this color definitely gives me trust issues because it gives off like a bright white type of color, type of feel, but when you put it on your eyelid, hunty, it's like a chrome two-tone type of color. Jackie knew what she was doing, okay? Auntie Jackie knew what she was doing when she named these, okay? These lashes I'm using are from the beauty supply store, and I just popped these bad boys on, you feel me, like pop. Well, actually, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It was low-key a struggle. Lately, I've been struggling to put my lashes on. I don't know why, but your girl has been struggling. So moving on to the face, I'm using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer to, cover these pores up, and then I am color correcting with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Concealer. This is not a Pro Concealer, y'all. I've been listening to some of our videos, and I be saying Pro Concealer. I'm sorry. Infallible Concealer, and I am just going to color correct with the shade of 420. I'm taking my beauty blender right now, and I am blending my face. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay in the shade of 360 Mocha, and I just gave my face a little mist with my Urban Decay Up All Nighter spray, and I just feel like doing this before you blend out your foundation helps your makeup last all day, like all day. So you guys, I've been doing my foundation routine a lot differently than what I used to do it. So in this video, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I did leave my under eye completely blank of any foundation. So basically I didn't blend any foundation under my under eye, and I actually loved how it turned out. Like, I don't know what made me do it, but I just did it, and I just left it blank, and I just left that for my concealer. And when I say it turned out so bomb, I didn't have as many crease lines because, you know, it wasn't a lot of product under there. And this technique is like super bomb, and I think I'm gonna do it for the rest of my life because it changed my life. But the concealer I'm using for my highlighted areas is the L'Oreal concealer in the shade of 415, and I'm just blending this out with this concealer brush from Elf. Y'all, this brush is so bomb. You need to go grab it. It was $6. I'm telling y'all, this will change your life. And then I just went in and I, you know, blended out the rest of my concealer with a beauty sponge, and this is the Sonia Cachet beauty sponge. This sponge was only $6 as well. I love how soft it is, and I love how like big it gets. So those are two products that are, you know, from the drugstore that y'all need to try. And to set this a look for today, you feel me, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade, I think this was medium banana. I don't know what it was called, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. But I just set my face with this. This powder I go back and forth between, because, you know, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But, you know, I've been giving it a try lately, and it's starting to, you know, I'm starting to like it a lot. Like, I'm starting to like it a lot. I'll be contouring today with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Y'all, I love this palette so much. It's so freaking bomb. I've used it to create eyeshadow looks. I remember at one point in time where the highlight shade was like, you know, my favorite highlighter of all time. But, you know, we've moved on and grown up in the world. But, y'all, this palette is super bomb, and Black Radiance products is definitely slept on. So, yeah, y'all should try that if y'all have not. Today's blush, y'all know I'm a blush girl. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Berry, and I'm just taking my Real Techniques blush and applying it to my cheeks. And I'm using the Golden Flower Child, I think it's called that, highlighter from Wet n Wild. And, you know, we just gonna highlight to the gods because y'all know I love to highlight. Y'all know I love to glow, period, okay? So I took the shade Big Wig, and I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash line. Originally I wasn't going to, but, you know, I was just looking at myself and I'm like, yo, we gotta do it, we got to. So I just smoked out my bottom lash line. So for my lip combo today, I did a nude lip. All the products that I use will be down in the description because I honestly cannot remember off of the top of my head as I'm recording this voiceover. So make sure you guys check out the description box, and those products will be down there. But yeah, I did a nude lippy, you feel me, just to, you know, complement this nice purple glam look. And that, my friends, is how your girl got this purple glam look. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you are rocking with your girl, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Journey to 5K is still a go. period. And if you guys have watched this far into the video, make sure you guys drop the unicorn emoji for your girl, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.